Ever dreamed of gifting your dad the bike he always loved but could never afford? Or surprising your mom with that beautiful dress she once saw, looked up, and walked away? But then reality hits. You check your wallet and all you find is hope. No investment, no capital, just dreams. What if I told you that you don't need money to start earning money? That in today's digital world, the only real investment is you, your time, your skills, and your passion. And there's one platform that's quietly helping thousands turn that into income every single day. No office, no boss, just you and your hustle. So stick around because this could genuinely change your life. Now, let me introduce you to Whoop. Not just a website, but a complete digital ecosystem built for you. Whether you're a student with a unique skill, a gamer with an audience, a designer with digital products, or just someone with a powerful idea waiting to be shared, Whoop gives you a place to start. It's a platform that turns your time, talent, and creativity into a money making machine without you spending a single penny upfront. From selling memberships, courses, Discord access, templates to launching full digital storefronts, Whoop simplifies everything. No technical knowledge, no team, no expensive tools. Just you and your grid. Thousands of creators just like you and me are using it every day to earn, grow, and live on their own terms. And trust me, this is just the beginning. Alright, now that you know what Whoop is capable of, let me show you just how easy it is to get started. No jargon, no confusion, just follow along with me. Click the link given in the description to head over to whoop.com. After you have clicked the link given in the description, a website similar to this page will open up. The website itself already feels premium, right? Clean, modern, and welcoming. Just like a store where your dreams can live. Now just follow the steps with me to sign up on whoop.com. Click on sign up. Now for easy login, use your Google account. Now enter your Gmail and password. I have sped up the version for you to save time. Make sure you enter your right Gmail and right password in order to complete the sign up process properly. Make sure you're not making any mistake and make sure you write your password. Now once after entering the correct Gmail and password, click on continue to proceed further. Okay, here you will be asked to enter a 6-digit PIN that has been sent to your email address that you used to sign up on Whoop. Once you have received the 6-digit PIN, enter it here and press enter. Here, Whoop will ask you about your name. Please enter your real name so that there is no problem afterwards. Click on next after entering your real name. Now pick a username you would like to show up to other users on Whoop. Click on next to proceed further. Now here, choose your profile picture. You can either upload your own or choose from one of the default avatars present there. Once you have chosen your profile picture, now you will be asked to join your first Whoop. Here you can see that there are so many Whoops present for which you can work, you can make clips. We'll be explaining later, but as of now I am joining the Whoop clips that is the official one of this website. You can join any of them. Now here the magic unveils. You have successfully landed on Whoop page after creating a good account. Now let's complete your profile to proceed further. Now you can see there are so many options. So here you can edit your name if you want to. If you have by mistakenly chosen a wrong name or you have written a wrong name, you can correct the name over here. Also you can write about yourself. Just for your illustration purpose, I am writing a tech enthusiast and some other things. You can write about yourself in your own language. Now here you can again edit your username if you want to. Also you can update your phone number. Now to update your phone number, click on the pencil present on the right hand side of your screen. Enter your phone number. Now you don't need to worry because Whoop is supported in these countries. You click on the flag And here you will see the list of supported countries where Whop works on. You can pause the video and read the name of the countries. Also, you can edit your email address if you want to change it. Now click on save and boom, your profile is updated successfully and welcome friends to Whop. Now this is your key to earn and live your dream life. If you have made it this far, you're not just watching, you're investing in yourself. Thank you for staying till the end. Seriously, that sets you apart from the crowd. In this video, we explored how to create your Whop account. But trust me, this is just the beginning. In the next one, I'll guide you step by step on how to actually start earning through Whop. No investment, nothing. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, comment I am in if you are ready, and stay tuned because the next chapter, that's where the real magic begins. Thank you.